Comstar is your solution for voice, data, and infrastructure. We offer every single technology solution a typical office is utilizing today.
We provide a variety of technical solutions, from various phone systems to voice and data cabling, infrastructure security, audiovisual solutions, as well as IT services.
We're in a wonderful time where you can do an amazing amount of things with technology. And we're always looking for what the next advancements are going to be in technology and how we can bring it to our clients in the most efficient way.
Our client range is really dynamic and diverse. We have small accounting firms all the way up to Fortune 500 clients that literally have thousands of employees across the United States. Our relationship with our client is really built on more of a consultation type of approach. Really like to sit down and have discussions with them about how their business operates and how the systems we offer can augment that business.
When you're purchasing a solution from Comstar, it's going to be a full-time, long-term Comstar employee that's going to be doing that installation. We have an in-house support team, so when a client calls, they're calling not to an offshore call center, they're calling directly to our home office. That's a small company mentality that we will never grow out of. When I look back and think about what I'm most proud of with Comstar, it really is that I feel we did this the right way. What we are here to do is to service our clients, and that is the #1 goal of Comstar. Comstar started as strictly a voice company, and over the years we've migrated into being a full technology firm.
Our phone systems are incredibly flexible, no matter what type of phone system it is. We custom tailor your solution to what your company needs.
Comstar stands out as a voice provider because of the service. We truly care about our customers and their businesses. A lot of companies these days ship out phone systems and that's it. We include training sessions for our customers so that all employees are comfortable using their phones.
We can handle 2 phones all the way up to the enormous law firms of 10,000 phones. We have the flexibility, we have the scalability, and we're going to take care of everybody through and through.
Infrastructure for us means the foundation that your technologies reside on. That's voice and data cabling, audiovisual, and building security solutions.
Infrastructure is key because it's the backbone of your networks. It's what's connecting everything. It's what's making everything work.
In order to have a dependable network, to have dependable computer systems, to have a dependable wireless system, all of those entities ride over your cabling.
As technology is changing, we've done everything that we can to make sure that we're on the cutting edge. When our clients came to us and said we need a more simple solution for video conferencing, we found the one that we felt was the best. We went to market with that.
Our security solutions include building access control and surveillance cameras. We create an environment where your access control system actually works with your camera system, so you can go in and see the video input from that event. You really can't operate a reliable technology business without a reliable and really decent infrastructure. That's what runs your entire company.
People choose Comstar because we take the complexity out and we just focus on building a partnership and solving your IT needs.
We have customers that will utilize us for backups and disaster recovery plans. We have some that will use us to manage everything from their servers to their firewalls to their emails and even to their help desk.
Comstar's managed services is a full suite of products that we offer to manage all facets in your LAN or your network. That could be from your PC maintenance, server maintenance, hardware maintenance, switching, routing.
We can work hand in hand with an inside IT guy. We can be the IT guy.
We provide on-prem and cloud-based solutions separately, depending on your business needs, or we do a hybrid, some things in the cloud and some things internal. We have the experience and the technology and the expertise to deliver any type of solution.